Hello, welcome to all. We're back with our Restoration Stories channel. Today, we will continue a journey with video content, detailed recovery guide of classic airplane. It's from the 1940s. You've seen the video on Restoration Stories, with these ancient toys being resurrected, with love and respect for the past. Today, we will embark on a journey of recovery. A Marx Seversky P-35, a toy plane medal, born in the 1940s. World War II period. Still wine in the minds of millions of Americans. The story begins. The Marx Seversky P-35. This was found at a small toy store, with the silver paint peeling off most of the rusted wings. The wheel is almost no longer spinning, but hidden behind the dust. Time. It's the soul of a childhood filled with dreams. When children dream of flying in the sky, as well as brave pilots. A step-by-step restoration of this classic airplane. Step 1: Overall assessment. First of all, look closely. Take a picture again. Mark each part details. Then disassemble the entire fuselage, from the tail to the cockpit. Each detail's marked, and take pictures, to make sure when reassembled remains exactly as original. We're taking it one step at a time. To proceed with disassembly, detail parts of the plane. Get out of the body. And this process requires a very careful and thorough. Slowly for each part. And you remember, don't forget to subscribe to the Restoration Stories channel to support us. In the process of dismantling, all of these details have to be really careful. Avoid damage. It will affect the process. Restore every detail when installed. He uses screws. Every way slowly. Each part out. He's continuing to dismantle the tail part of the plane, the part in the back. It's a steel bar. A long steel bar. The smallest detail. Carefully removed and to separate parts. In front of you are all the details. It's a dismantling bar. Now, we're going to take the second step, cleaning the rust part. Used by soft steel brush and mild rust removal technique. Slowly clean each part detail with metal. And we can also use same brush to step by step. Remove rust parts and paint them, as in this video. And review a thick, shiny layer of metal. Sound shapes when resting, like the sound of time turning back to the past. Note to you. This process has to happen slowly. careful. Turn to the end of all the iron parts of the fuselage. Here. Use this sandblasting machine. Handle all parts to pan. Metal of the fuselage finished. It will reveal a layer of iron. A layer of steel. Shiny and thick. And with steel is pride. American pride in the 40s. It's a symbol of the steel industry. American high quality. When it's done, he'll continue to use the hammer or pliers to do the mount, smashing the parts so that it becomes. It's more. It was hit by V8. If it's distorted, we need to adjust it. What part of it is broken, we'll do the welding and replenish it. Every detail was handled carefully by him, and it's really thorough. According to general reviews, he seems to be a really skilled worker. This is a welding process, and you shouldn't look. It will affect your eyes. After the welding is done, we will use sandpaper or a sanding machine to do scrubbing and sanding. New part just processed by welding machine. Next, we're going to step 3. Repaint the surface. After completely cleaning the painted fuselage, paint on a rust-proof liner. Then we'll use sandpaper to proceed step by step. It make it more slippery and smooth. Then, silver luster classic needle exactly as the color of the real P-35 in the 40s. Covered over the fuselage of the plane. A few small details, like the red nose and the American back sign drawn by hand, to keep all the nostalgia. This is the propeller. Get him. Restore it as the original. That's impressive. The raw part is quite impressive. This process uses grinding to proceed with the honing slowly and completely by hand. This is a really valuable video. Restoring an antique. It's an object that's embedded in the memories of a lot of kids, in the 1940s to the present. It reinvokes the past and pride. And more when the restoration is complete. We will have an antique, used to make a gift, or it can be used as a gift to display. It's a wonderful thing. And what's more, this video brings value recovery guide. We can rely on video content to proceed with the restoration. It's a similar plane. Don't look at these parts, guys. That's impressive. That's right. Here's all the little details. Handled by him. And now it's going to be covered in original paint. Paint of the B-35. Steel bars too. The back part will be replaced by him. The broken bars were also put together. Carry out replacement. It seems like this is a process. It's a lot of work. That's a good impression. These are the wheels. Is being processed by him with some sandpaper. It's rubber and extruded through a coat of paint. will be processed here to conduct separation and prevent oxidation. This process will take place within 72 hours. After soaking in the treatment solution. At the end of this process, we will take all the metal raw parts and proceed to polishing. And this is the final stage of the process. And in front of all of you, here are the details that have been processed. We will proceed now. Put this plane together. And that's it. Fifth step, finishing and polishing. Finally, I applied a thin layer of wax to protect the paint color and give it a light gloss, and then put all the details together most carefully. Note in this process, every detail is carefully assembled. Be careful to avoid affecting the paint color. Avoid affecting the paint color, and all details have been processed and restored. That's it. Slowly and carefully. This is the wing part, and it's really glossy. Here's how to assemble it. Use the studs to heads. That's great. Catch it from that side. Here's the wheel at the bottom. Slowly, carefully for this process. That's it. And what do you think about this journey? When this plane is complete, do you want to own it or not? Please leave a comment below. It could be a gift. It could be a display. And these are the final details. The stamp parts has been draped over the fuselage of the plane. A comparison between an old forgotten item and the object of skillful hands of the professional worker, restoring a complete difference. And for me, it's really amazing, guys. Let's wait. See how it works and how it moves. So beautiful, so perfect. This is how the wings work. And he's pushing it forward. It's really interesting. And to all my dear friends, the recovery process is complete, and we have a lesson. Give this video a lesson from the journey of recovery. Restoration is not just repair, it's the listening light of time. Every scratch, every break tells a story of childhood, about dreams, and about people who have lived through a period of history full of volatility. The plane on the wrong side is not just a toy. It's a memory of a generation that believes in the future, even when the world around them. There's still a lot of challenges. From rust to glory, it's a journey. It's really interesting. And if you believe that everything deserves a chance, second, click follow and revive together. It's the same story for the channel. And remember one thing, when watching this video tutorial content, if somewhere in your house there's an item need to be restored, like this plane, then immediately take it out to proceed with the recovery. The journey of recovery is a journey. It's full of interesting things and extremely attractive. Rely on this video tutorial to do that. And remember one thing, don't forget to subscribe to Restoration Stories to support us. Thank you.